Alright, we're back. We're back, guys. Well, I did a couple things. I've leveled up a little bit, and I've farmed a lot, and I've upgraded our base a little. I'll show you. Don't look quite that good, but I've upgraded it. And this episode, I think we're gonna tame something. So let's take that and our stones, and we'll have to find something to tame, I guess. Oh, we better take our measures. I think they're in here. Yes, they are. Measures and narcos. Okay, let's go. What do we want to tame? Just in case for anything that we need meat to tame. But that didn't give me any meat, so we're carnivore hunting. Well, not carnivore, herbivore. Could go for a turtle. I want to get that. We can get a pack of dilaphisuars. We can get a pack of dilaphisuars, but until I find something, I'm gonna cut. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, it's not much, but I just knocked one of these dudes. And I was thinking maybe we can just tame it. I don't know what they eat though. I have no clue what they eat. Hopefully they eat measures. Do they eat these? I'm not sure what they eat. I have to look that up. I'm not sure. I'll just have to look it up. But for now, we'll just get some meat out of it. Oh, guys, let's actually go tame that dilaphisuar. My bad about the darkness. I bet you can't really see anything, can you? Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Yeah, I got dark pretty quick, but hopefully y'all could see. If not, then well, oh well, I guess. It's level 20, not that bad for beginners. Don't go out there. Hey, now come back. If this thing would shoot, that would be perfect. No, I hit it! I hit it! No, I'm so sorry. I hit it while I was going down. Oops. I hit it while I was going down. No. It's not gonna get a perfect tame. This isn't gonna be a perfect tame, no. It's fine. It wasn't gonna be a perfect tame anyways. You need measures. I mean, not measures. Prime for that, I'm pretty sure. Well, it's taming pretty quickly, so I don't think we'll have to use up any more of our narco berries. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Didn't get to get a quite as good tame on him. Effectiveness 58%, 0.9. That's not that good. Plus 5 levels, so it'd be around 25 power level. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when this is over with. Alright guys. Alright guys, he is almost done. One more and he will be done. Alright guys, here we go. There we go. Dilaphisuar. Dillaman. I think it's a male. Is it a male? It's a female. Girly. Oh. Girly. Girly. There we go. Come on, girly. Come on. Level 25. We should test her. We can do a, another tame. There's this, thing over here. I don't know what it's called, but it, if you pet it, it levels up your dinosaurs. I would like to tame that. But guys, let me find it and I will be back. Alright guys, I couldn't find it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end off the episode here. And in the next one we will find it. Alright, so I will see y'all guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe.